Y'all, I finally got my studio cleaned up. Do you want to take a look? I'll go as quickly as I can. So I'll just do first a quick view of the whole room so you can get a feel for the size. My table is 44 inches by 92 inches. I'm standing in the doorway. Now for the details. I am not going to go shelf by shelf and bin by bin. But suffice it to say, I have a lot of paper. And then I have a lot of things that I use for gel printing. On my worktop, I keep my brushes and things I use all the time. Then on the other side of the room, I have a cutting area. And next to the cutting area, I keep 3 of my rolling carts. 2 for scrapbooking, 1 for oil painting. Then around here is my desk with my wonderful Epson printer and my new Cricut. I keep my sewing machine on a rolly cart in front of half of the door. And above is just assorted extras. Now under the table is where I keep my paints. These are all acrylics here. Heat gun. A stool in case I actually sit down while I work. This cart is all of the goodies that I can use with oil painting, acrylic painting, and encaustic. Just some more bins of goodies. And on the other side, some more goodies, including all my stamping supplies, which I rarely ever use. Love to buy stamps, hate to stamp. But this isn't all. In the dining room, I have what my husband calls the glue drawer. All the glues and tapes that I use only occasionally. It's a beautiful day outside, so you get to hear the mower. In the breakfast room, I keep all my jewelry making supplies and all my yarn supplies and projects. And then, because so many people have asked, this is a gorgeous shelf my husband had made for me. At the house we built, it fit in a little cubby. Here it just hangs in the breakfast room. Not too far away in the living room is where I keep my Bible journaling cart. It's a little antique I found. It holds all my Bible journaling supplies. But of course, that's not all. Let's go out in the garage. Here are all my canvases and frames, and supplies for other arts and crafts that I don't do as much anymore. Class supplies, and then a little bit of extra storage. Back inside, I even store goodies in the laundry room. There's never enough storage, is there? So that's my little slice of heaven. I love it in here. If you want to see more, let me know. Now, don't go thinking it always looks that clean. This is pretty calm. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe.